Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making grilled sandwich, so let's get started. So first step is prepare your ingredients, slice your veggies. This will make your cooking process smoother. Now add some salt, spices, herbs and sandwich spread and mix it well. You can add more sandwich spread if you want to. Now build the sandwich, take 2 slices of bread, spread a thin layer of stuffing and carefully place the second bread slice on the top, butter side face out, press the sandwich together gently and ensure all the ingredients are nicely packed. Heat a griller over medium heat. Once hot, place a assembled sandwich on a pan and grill each side until it turns golden brown. Our mouth-watering grilled sandwich is ready. Happy cooking!